A Walker County Child Services Director has been removed from the job after complaints from employees and the community. Good evening, I'm Calvin Snee.
I'm Kim Chapman. That move is some of the big changes Georgia's child welfare leaders are making to keep children from slipping through the cracks. News Channel 9's Brianna Arredondo is live in Ringgold, where the new state DFCS director is talking about how he will improve the system. Brianna.
And where he's talking about that is at this meeting here at the Colonnade in Ringgold. Foster parents, social workers, and even more people are listening to state officials on how they plan to change child welfare and reform the problems that have been existing within the state. And some of those changes include more support for foster families and also addressing mental health issues with abuse victims and perpetrators. And it's all part of the changes on how they plan to handle child abuse and neglect cases. Changes continue in how Georgia handles child abuse and neglect cases. State DFCS Director Bobby Cagle was put in place to make sure of that.
We've made some immediate changes to training. I felt like we were in some of the high-profile cases missing medical evidence that we needed to be recognizing early on.
One of those cases includes Sahara Witherspoon, a 2-year-old who died in the care of her foster mother, Clara Edwards. A News Channel 9 investigation last year in Catoosa County brought out details that contributed to the state making significant changes. More recently, a 9-year-old Lafayette boy with signs of abuse concerned workers at the boy's school, and teachers called to report 13 times before anything was done.
I think that case in particular has a odd set of fact patterns, but certainly if there are multiple calls on a case, that should be a sign to us that the community has a heightened sense of awareness around the family.
Cagle says the state is ramping up staffing, training, and more to make sure more children don't fall victim.
We are also setting up regional and statewide advisory boards that will help us keep a finger on the pulse of the community to understand what's going on locally more quickly.
And this meeting tonight will also give the public a chance to ask their questions and address their concerns with state officials here about the reform changes. The former Walker County director has been replaced with interim director Teresa Hughes, and state officials tell me that all of those cases in Walker County are under review. Live in Ringgold, Brianna Arredondo, News Channel 9.
Brianna, thank you very much.